welcome back people. Join us today for changing the Decat on my brother's EP3. But first of all, just want to give a massive thank you to a couple of people. So first of all, Urban Backstreet Garage. Can you see that? Urban Backstreet Garage has got some t-shirts made for me with my logo on. How cool is that? So massive thank you to Urban Backstreet Garage. And he also sent over some stickers. We've got some a bee dedicated sticker there. And we've got an air freshener. Also some more stickers. We've got a keychain in here as well. So Jamie at Urban Backstreet Garage, thank you very much. Really appreciate your kind gesture there. And then FN2 Ops held a raffle or a giveaway on his YouTube channel, and I won. So we got a 3D printed funnel here, and I said that I would just show sort of the fitment of it. So obviously just stick it on there, hopefully that'll focus. Turn the threads on it until it goes tighter, and there we go. We've got a nice perfect fitment. So FN2 Ops, thank you for holding the competition, and thank you for sending me the 3D printed funnel. Really appreciate that. I don't know if you've noticed in the back. Thanks, Dad, for getting me a printed logo, which is absolutely awesome. So we've got a t-shirt, we've got a logo. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. All right. So as I say, today we're. Oh, look at that. There we go. That's better. Sorting out the Decat. Swapping out the Decat on the EP3. Of course, my brother's under there at the moment. Just going to swap out the O2 sensors, get that sorted out, and hopefully we'll get it on. So we've tried to undo this with our trusty 22mm spanner, but not sure if you can see on there. It's obviously starting to round it. So we got the trusty impact out. So we're going to see how that goes. Should have done this in the first instance, really. So you can see how rusted and corroded it was in there, hence why we were struggling with the spanner. So, but you can see there, the two spring bolts that hold obviously the OEM cat to the manifold. So on many old Hondas that I've had, my Integra, I remember that these spring bolts, all of these springs, everything was just one. It was just completely rusted and just formed to one. So as soon as you even breathed on this, it just snapped. So luckily, these ones look good, and these I think they're loose now. These three bolts and nuts undo these, and then obviously the whole OEM cat will come, or OEM or replace, whatever this is. I'm not sure what part number we got there. Yeah, I don't think it's OEM. So yeah, so get rid of these three, get rid of those two, and we're good to go. There's two clips obviously for the O2 sensors that run by the manifold, so you've just got to unclip these. So you can see the two sensors here. I'm not sure which one's which, but you can see they're different, so you can't get them mixed up. All right, little quick tip: take it off the body hanger and then just take it off. That'll be much easier. So the Decat's, well, the OEM or OEM replacement cat is now off. So we'll get the Decat on. And then obviously we need to get this one out. This one's loose now. So we'll get that one out and swap that one over onto the Decat. So we've got the two pipes down here. We've got the Decat pipe and obviously the non-OEM cat. So we're just going to get the exhaust hanger rubber off the obviously the previous one back onto here, and then we should be ready to go. Something to mention as well is the non-OEM cat is quite heavy compared to the Decat, so yeah, it's going to save a few pounds there. You got your obviously your manifold flange spring bolts that you want to do up. And then, as I was saying earlier, you got these three here on these flanges. Make sure you got your gasket in between. And you want to refit all of your sensors, all of your wiring. Make sure you clip this back in and everything like that. Nice. All clicked in, all done. So yeah, so we're going to go out for a quick drive and see how much louder it is. I don't think we've got an EML light on. I'm just going to have to check. So yeah, let's go and have a bit of an in-car drive, shall we? Oh, and I just wanted to say, for anyone who's checked out my Donington Park GP video, thank you so much. It's been an absolute hit. It's, I think, got over 700 views in 24 hours, which is absolutely insane compared to all of my previous stuff. So anyone who watched that, thanks a lot. There's going to be more coming. And as I was saying, I'm hopefully going to be filming at Mims, and something that's going to hopefully make it a lot better. We got a gimbal. And I want to just say a massive thank you to my girlfriend, who, or fiance should I say, who treated me to this, and yeah, massive surprise. So thank you, and hopefully everyone's going to enjoy the upcoming videos of any car shows, track days, anything like that, and just any type of cinematics, and hopefully my vlogging is going to be a bit smoother now. So yeah, we got some cool things coming in the future. All right, so we're driving along. We don't seem to have an EML light on, which is good. So this is just to show the sort of driving noise, just usual day-to-day driving noise. So it seems that obviously we've got a bit more rasp from the Decat, just giving little pulls. So you can hear we've got that sort of rasp. You can swear I can hear it. I swear I can hear the air coming from here. One wheel peel. So hopefully you like the in-car footage and also a couple of flybys. It's definitely a little bit louder. Got a couple of pops now, which is pretty cool. We don't want no pops and bangs though, let's be clear about that. We don't want none of that. But yeah, it's definitely sounding a little bit better. Don't know if it feels any quicker, whether it's just your mind thinking that, because obviously it needs a remap and everything like that to fill the proper gains. But yeah, so that's all done now. Hopefully everyone enjoyed it. And like I say, if anyone is into their performance cars, into their BMWs, their Porsches, anything like that, go and check out my Donington GP after movie, Donington Park GP after movie. The Skyline, the Nissan Skyline, I've had a couple of comments on that. That is going to be coming to the channel soon. I'm just waiting for the salt and all of that to get off the road so I can bring it out. So we're gonna get that out for hopefully a nice cinematic movie for that one. And yeah, thanks to all people that have subscribed, liked, commented, or anything like that. I do see that half of you, at least half of you, about 60% of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, just give it a little click. It's free, just give it a little click. It helps me out, and also just give it a like. All free stuff that apparently really helps the algorithm. So sort me out, go on. And I just want to give another shout out. I know I did earlier on in the video, but I just want to shout him out again. Jamie at Urban Backstreet Garage. Really, really appreciate your kind gesture of, provided some t-shirts for me. Obviously we've got the Skyline on this one. And then we've also got an EK Civic, just like the one under the cover right here. So yeah, thank you, Jamie, very much at Urban Backstreet Garage. I'm going to put something on screen here or around here, and what I'll do is I'll link his channel below in the description as well. Go and check him out. And he's also raffling a Mini. If you're into I think it's a B16 Mini, go and check that out. Go and buy a ticket. And as I say, FN2 Ops, thank you for hosting the giveaway, and thank you for pressing that button on the comment generator and me being the winner. So yeah, we've got the funnel over there. We'll use it in the future. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Thank you all.